Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to fix Cash App unexpected error. So I'm going to be showing you various ways on how you can fix this kind of error. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Further delay, let's get started. Basically, when you face this kind of error, it means that something went wrong with the account or there was an issue with the app itself. So this kind of error usually occurs whenever there is suspicious activity on your Cash App account or there is a transaction issue. If you have any pending payments or transactions, then it might be one of the reasons for this kind of issue. So first thing you need to do is make sure that you don't have any pending payments on your Cash App account. So in order to fix it, what you can do is first thing you need to make sure whether your account holds any pending payments or transaction. You need to make sure by checking the transaction history, and after that you can clear the cash and data of your Cash App account. Once you do that, you'll be logged out of your Cash App account, and once again you need to log in and you might be able to fix it. And if you're still unable to fix it, then you can check the website for more information, as sometimes it might be due to the server itself, not the issue on your device or the application. Apart from all of these, what you can do is you can restart your device or you can reinstall Cash App application, and after that you can re-log in into your account. Once you're done with all of these process, if you're still unable to fix it, so then the last alternative is that to contact the customer service, and the customer service provider will notify about the issue. So those were the method on how you can fix unexpected error on your Cash App account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.